Understanding the phrase, "It's not my scene." Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning, usage, and nuances of the phrase, "It's not my scene." This phrase is a very colorful way to express your preferences and is quite common in English conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, "It's not my scene," is an informal way to say that a particular activity, place, or social setting is not one that you enjoy or feel comfortable in. It implies that the situation doesn't match your interests, tastes, or preferences. When someone says, "It's not my scene," they are not necessarily criticizing the activity or place itself. Rather, they are simply stating that it doesn't align with their personal likes or lifestyle. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but knowing how to use it in context is even more important. Let's look at some examples. 1. Music and parties. Imagine your friends invite you to a heavy metal concert, but you prefer quiet evenings and classical music. You might say, "Thanks for the invite, but heavy metal concerts are not really my scene." 2. Social gatherings. If you're someone who prefers small gatherings and someone invites you to a large, noisy party, you could respond, "I appreciate the invitation, but big parties are not my scene." 3. Hobbies and interests. When discussing hobbies, if someone suggests going on a hiking trip and you're not fond of outdoor activities, you might say, "Hiking is not really my scene. I prefer indoor activities." While "it's not my scene" is a polite and indirect way of expressing your disinterest, it's crucial to use it sensitively to ensure you don't offend anyone. It's often seen as a gentle and non-confrontational phrase, but remember, the tone of voice and context matter a lot. It's best used with friends and in informal situations. In more formal settings, you might opt for phrases like, "I'm not particularly interested in that," or "I don't particularly enjoy those kinds of activities." And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "It's not my scene." Now that you understand what it means and how to use it, you can incorporate this expressive phrase into your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing your identity and preferences respectfully and accurately. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you use "It's not my scene" in your own unique way. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.